हेलो, वेलकम टू रियल ट्रेड्स चैनल। हमारी तरफ से डिस्क्लेमर ये है कि इक्विटी इन्वेस्टमेंट आर सब्जेक्ट टू 100% मार्केट रिस्क। रेफर योर फाइनेंशियल कंसल्टेंट एडवाइस बिफोर इन्वेस्टिंग। दिस ग्रुप इज ओनली फॉर एजुकेशनल एंड लर्निंग पर्पस। Admins have no responsibility for your intended decision and financial losses. Always analyze the stocks and keep calculated risk before investing in any stocks. Be aware that the invested amount can become zero at any point of time. Stock market investment are very risky, and being part of this channel and group, you agree that you understand the market risk involved. Profit and losses are part of share market. Kindly understand and act wisely. All members please follow the guidelines as applicable. Now SEBI is more strict about their actions. Please do kindly cooperate and act accordingly. This channel and group do not provide any tips or recommendations or advice. All updates or posts or discussions are only for educational and learning purpose. Do consult your financial advisor before taking trades or investment decisions. Group and channel admins or members are not responsible for your financial losses. Disclaimer, disclosure or terms and conditions are applicable to all members of this channel. You staying in the group means you accept the terms and conditions mentioned above, and if you do not accept, then please do exit from the channel and group. We are not a SEBI registered advisors. All the posts are for education and learning purpose only. Thank you.
Hello, welcome to RealTrades channel. So in our previous videos, we have seen for last 1 week now, like how our customized indicator Nifty option selling sideways indicator helped us to gain good profit in sideways market. And as you all might know, that option selling is the best thing for any trader to make profit, and that too most of the days will remain sideways, and that's why we try to figure out, or we try to recognize the sideways market and then indicate that on our chart, on Nifty chart, and then try to do straddle, strangle, or any sideways market related strategies on option selling. And then we try to make good profit whenever there is a sideways, and whenever there is a huge bullish or bearish momentum, then we try to minimize our loss or try to get out cost to cost. So we have seen last 4 days trades from 11th November to 14th November. Today, not today, but on every weekend, we try to see how our trades went, and also how much profit or loss we made throughout the week. So let's see our Excel sheet here. So we will do this on every day basis, like how much ever the indicator helped us to take the trades on of all the days which we have covered. That is 11th of November, 12th of November, 13th November, and then 14th November. So we made like entry and exit based on the indicator gave us the signal. And based on that, we have written all our entry and exit points here. You can go and verify on each day's videos. So these are the same numbers which we posted there, and also you can go and backtest or do the verification on our straddle. So these are the expiry dates which we choose for this particular day, and then on this particular strike prices. So we made entry at 425, exit at 426, and the loss which we made is -1 point. Similarly, 398 entry, 400 exit, -2 point loss. So like this, we have covered all the points like which we have captured, and overall points which we captured on that particular day, and how much profit or loss we made for 10 lots of total number of lots. So on everyday basis, we make like we keep the investment as 7 lakhs for 10 lots, and for 7 lakhs we have made 3,500 profit on first day, and on second day, the 12th of November, we made -9 points of loss with -2,250 rupees loss for 10 lots. And similarly, on third day, we made 13th November, we made 11 points profit with 2,750 rupees profit, and on 14th November, we made 48 points of profit with 12,000 rupees as profit for 10 lots. So now what we are trying to do on this particular day is, on every day weekend, we come and we see on what day how much number of lots we traded, and how many trades we took in total, and what is the profit and loss we made for how much investment, and also the returns in percentage we calculate for the investment we did. So why we are doing this is just to make sure ourselves that our strategy is working fine or not, our performance on day-to-day basis or every weekend basis, we are doing good or not. So that is what we need to see at the end of the day, or at the end of the weekend, at the end of year finally. So we will try to do this for all the weekends. Like weekend, you can see here below the straddle option selling progress reports we have named. We will also this on every weekend, seeing that how much profit or loss we have made in that particular week. First week trade, November to 14th November. So we traded on all days with 10 lots, and we don't modify this until we are sure that we are making good profit. So on the very first day, we just got 4 buy or sell signal the indication from our indicator saying that these are the entry points and exit points. So like that, we did 4 number of trades on 11th of November, and on 12th of November we got 4 trades again, and 13th of November we got 3 trades, and 14th of November we got 3 trades. The first day profit we made 3,500, -2,250, 2,750, and 12,000 rupees. And for all the days, for 10 lots, we can assume, or we can go and also check in our brokerage platform how much investment do we make. Usually it's 7 lakh for 10 lots. I have checked it in Kite Zerodha, so you can go and verify with your brokerage how much the total investment would be there for 10 lots. So for the 3,500 profit is 0.5% of 7 lakh. So this is what we have gained on that particular day, on 11th of November. And on 12th of November we made minus 0.33% of loss, and then on 13th of November we made 0.4% of profit, and on 14th of November we made 1.72% of profit. So at the end of the week, for the 7 lakh of investment, the total profit in this particular week, it was 16,000 and 2.29% of profit at the end of the first week. So why we do this is to understand whether we are going in a good direction or not, whether we are making overall profit or not, or if we are going in loss, then we have to modify our strategy or the style of taking trades. I mean, entry and exit should be very much proper whenever we are doing whenever we are taking any trades. So this is why we are making this video, and we try to do this on every weekend basis, so we understand whatever we are gaining or achieving or making some losses. So I believe this 2.29% of profit for the very first week, it's really good. And even if it's not 2.29% on every week basis, in an average, if we keep around 1% profit also, that's really good for 7 lakh. And even if we make like monthly 4%, considering just 1% for 1 week, 4% would be really good. And at the end of the year, it would be around 48%. But even if we don't consider 48%, but more than 30%, whatever comes, it's really good. So considering all the tax, brokerage, whatever, like number of trades are also not too much. We are getting like just 4 or 3 trades, or maybe maximum 5 to 6 trades. Even if we get, that should not hurt us or hurt our cost of brokerage, whatever we consider. So that will all be fine until and unless we are making good gains like this. So per day basis, even if we are considering 0.1, 0.2%, 0.3%, how much ever we get, and at the sideways market. So 14th November was the day which we got like complete sideways, and you can see on the day of 11th November, 12th November, 13th November, there was a little bit of bearish momentum and bullish momentum suddenly coming. So on those days we made not good profit, but also not bad profit. On only one day, which it was a huge bearish momentum, we made like 0.33% of loss. So on 11th November and 13th November, you can see, even though the bearish momentum was there, we exited like 0.4 and 0.5% of profit. And one day there was a huge bearish momentum, and that's why we exited with 0.33% of loss. But whenever there is a sideways market like this, you can see how huge profit we can make. Like 1.72% is not at all we cannot see as a small profit, or 1.72. It is really good. So please consider this indicator which we have prepared. This is a really good indicator for recognizing. Here also you can see for 14th of November, we made entry at 10.6 and exited at around 2.50. So this is one of the good indicator, I believe, to recognize the sideways market and to apply any sideways market related strategies in option selling. So finally, what we have to see is, for any trader, option seller, or option buyer, we need to see how our strategy is working, how our entry and exit are working, whether it's making profit or loss, we have to see. So even though we make losses, that should be very minimal considering all other days, to see whether overall we are in good profit or not. So at the end of the first week, we are seeing now 16,000 profit for 7 lakh investment, with total of 2.29% of average profit, average percentage of returns for the first week. So this we will do on every weekend basis. If you have any questions or any concerns, please do join with us on our Telegram channels and also on Twitter channel. You can please like and subscribe to our channels. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like our analysis video, then please do like and subscribe to our channels. The links are in description.